Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm actually here at the engine shop. I am picking up the parts of my engine that have been machined and put back together and prepped and ready. So hopefully next couple weeks we can start putting this engine back together. I'm going to go in, get the thing, and get it back home. Exactly what am I doing sitting on the garage floor here? Well, what I'm hoping to show you today is I finally got the engine block back. I got the engine block, I got the heads back, and they've actually stayed wrapped up since I got them. I got them probably almost a month ago, and it's just been way too cold out here. Today happens to be a aberration in Rochester. It is 60 degrees out, and we're still in the middle of March, so I'm taking advantage of it. We got the garage open, I'm airing it out a little bit, and I'm going to take a look at these things before setting them aside for probably another couple weeks to just wait for it to get a little bit warmer out here. But I figured let's do well, I'd call it an unboxing, but really it's going to be an unbagging. So let's take a look and let's see what these things look like. So at first impression, obviously having never done this before, I have no idea what I'm really going to be looking for to say that this was done well. But what I will say is this: it appears that they did a very good job cleaning it. They also spray painted the whole block black, which is nice. As you'll see, I've got brand new freeze plugs in here. They went through and did a really nice job of cleaning all of this up. I also got new oil jets, so you can see where they were marked off, and you can see inside got some very nice new shiny piston holes. Probably should come up with a better name for them than that. Then come over and take a look at the heads. If you remember how these things looked before I took them away, these things are amazingly clean. You can see we've got the new BC springs in there. We go and flip it over. We can see we've got new valves. Everything's been milled and cleaned up. And generally speaking, everything just looks really nice, really clean. Quite frankly, ready to be put back together. At this point, all I'm really doing is starting to wait for some other parts to get in. I've got a lot of gaskets that I still need to order, and I've got a cousin that I need to call and see whether or not he's interested in helping me put this thing back together. Taking it apart was easy. Putting it back together, that's going to be the tricky part. One thing did occur to me, I didn't really take a look at it from the top. So there we go, and everything looks nice and shiny. I'm not going to flip it all the way over. Might want to hit in there a little bit with some black paint just to get those areas that were missed. Alright, so that's going to do it for this. I just wanted to take everybody quickly through this. It's like, got it. Again, they're going back on the shelf for another couple weeks. And after that, hopefully, we can start putting this thing back together. So that's going to be it. Really quick episode, but I just wanted to share it with everybody. We're getting close to rebuilding. So make sure that you go through, hit the like button. Make sure that you comment down below. I'll be talking about it in a little while, but based on one of my viewers' comments, I went out and bought something so I can try cleaning the engine bay a different way. We'll see that hopefully soon in another episode. So please feel free to give me comments. I really appreciate it when you do. Like, subscribe, share, and see you soon. See ya.